Asia and Oceania. Miss World Asia and Oceania is Thailand. So as she comes down to join our other winners, put your hands together for Miss World Americas and Caribbean, who's Martinique, Miss World Africa, Ethiopia, Miss World Europe, Poland, and Miss World Asia and Oceania, Thailand. We have 4 continental winners. After the break, we will find out which one of them will be the new Miss World. Don't go away.
Hello mga kahabibi, nakaka-excited po ngayon. Ang ganap po ngayon sa India, ang Miss World 2025. OMG! 2-stan girl na si Thailand and the Philippines. Of course, si Gravidis and of course si Opal. So, I was so praying talaga guys kung sino yung mag-stand out sa kanilang dalawa for Asia and Oceania. And of course, I'm happy for Miss Thailand, Miss Opal. You made it. And this is, if ever that, you know, Miss Opal, Miss World Thailand 2025 will be crowned today, of course, she will be the first ever Miss World Thailand na makukoronahan. Oh my God, OMG. And of course, we have Megan Yang on last 2013 in Indonesia. It was happening in Indonesia, and that was our first ever crown for Miss World. And we know already that, you know, to winning in the Miss World is really tough. It's a lot of challenges, a lot of, you know, it's really difficult to get that blue crown. And now, I feel it that Miss Thailand will be the first ever Miss World Thailand that Thailand will be proud of. Oh my God. And of course, Miss Universe will be coming soon. And I really love Krishna Gradevis. Oh my God, Krishna, you made it in the top 8. I know it's really hard. And of course, there's a lot of people bashing you na, di makakapasok si ano, blah blah and so on. But you, therefore, you're fighting for the Philippines para sa iyo, para sa bayan. Oh my God. And I'm proud of you to getting on the top 8. And you know, people are bashing you na talagang kapwa Pilipino pa natin talagang nanghuhusga.